Bougie. Hi guys, welcome back to the show. So we are going to a trail to go walking on this nice little day. We decided to do some recording and videos out and about, just walking on a trail. Sorry about last week. I know that we're supposed to be posting every Thursday, but you guys know how it is sometimes. Being a YouTube influencer, you can get kind of busy and your schedule can get kind of hectic. So with that, we will head to the park and see what we can record and get into. Good trouble. Hi guys, so we're finally at the trail right now. As you can see, we are in the middle of nowhere. Oh, there's AJ.
Walking this trail.
This is our trail. As you can see, there's woods and forests everywhere. So, if we end up disappearing, this is my video for you guys to look for if you can't find us. I can't jog, I'm recording. So yeah guys. Oh my goodness, it is so hot out. I mean, it's not hot out here, it's just like, it's kind of, what's the word? Muggy a little bit. I mean, we just wanted to get out of the house, so we came to the trail just so we can have somewhere to go, which we can do our recordings everywhere. We do need a selfie stick though.
Yeah, I have to jog.
Babe, you can fucking jog. I'm not jogging. It's too fucking humid to jog. Alright, I can show you us trying to jog and shit. You're not even good at jogging. Do you guys see how he runs? Wait, how do we get back to the car from here? That's what I was wondering.
Baby, let's turn around.
I mean, we'll turn around if we can't.
Baby, just a circle.
Yeah, but I'm saying, like, where does it come out at?
Oh.
Since we've never been to this one before. Oh my god, there's a deer. Yeah, he's right there. He's they are not gonna do anything to you. What you come on? Do you guys see the deer? Oh my god, that deer's so cute. Don't stare at him. He's gonna get scared and run away. Yeah, so look, you scared him. I said you scared him. Yeah. He was so cute.
What's that little deer?
That's a male deer. That's like the big ass alpha male deer. So, but yeah, so this is a great way to fucking hide a body if you need to. I'm just saying. That's why they don't let people out here at night.
I got it.
Where? I don't even see him.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, send me that video. That's gonna put that on there.
That's cool.
You
the
too.
way I got it.
I know, that's what I was saying. Send me that
Look
video.
at this one. Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's so cute.
I zoomed in. Oh, look. Oh, yeah, baby. That's a male.
Of course it's a male. I know what a male looks like. Yeah, guys, so yeah, we're just walking in the middle of nowhere in this forest preserve. As you see, there's nothing but trees around us and animals. So yeah, that's what we're doing on this Thursday afternoon. I'm just trying to figure out where this trail ends or stops at. So we'll keep you guys posted.
Hi guys, this is the deer that's running away.
Here's some more of the trail, guys. We're on a different path. Babe, don't be trying to act like something on you.
There was.
You're so dramatic. So we're here walking on another trail. I'm trying to see where this one leads to, guys. It's over there, but if not, we can just go back to the way that we came.
Some money, that'd be great.
Yeah, it would be nice if we found like $1,000. I hope they're not letting their dogs poop on this trail, because it's really for people to walk on, not for people to have animals do stuff on it. I hear a bunch of crows.
Ew,
That
that means somebody died.
does not mean that someone died. It doesn't.
What's there? Oh, they praying.
No, they're probably just messing around. Look, we ain't finna go investigate. I'm gonna call the damn Bernie police now, then go do it. I ain't fucking going to play it. Look and see. I know people be playing on this field. They be playing like soccer and stuff sometimes in this park. We'll see them doing. See, I'd rather come when it's like cloudy out versus coming when it's like sun out, because then it's like hot and humid and yeah.
Right, it don't leave.
We can just take it around back to the car. The car is right down there. We already over here. I'm not gonna walk all the way back around. Shit. It's too far. No, we're not cutting through
But
the
look, you can.
forest area. No, you can't. You see that? We would cut through the forest. I wouldn't. So I don't know what the fuck is in there. I mean, we saw the deer, but that thing can still attack you with its antlers if it feels threatened. That's why they run. Yeah.
I mean, there's a playground across the street.
Yeah, there is. We have to still walk down here some more. Hello. That's why I said we did walk a far way. Guys, sorry about all the cars in the background. Of course, this is supposed to be a peaceful walk. And we had to end up taking another route back to the car because we kind of got lost. So that's why you can hear like the cars in the background. I'm trying not to show them because they're so annoying.
Yeah.
But yeah.
We didn't get lost, y'all. We just wound up walking along
yeah,
this way.
we kind of got lost walking the opposite direction, and then it ended up taking us to the other side, and we didn't feel like walking back the way that we came, and it's fine. This is still part of a trail over here. Yeah, all of this is still part of a trail bed. So, I mean, it should be fine. Okay, see you guys when we make it to the car.